hello to the children.
Sanibona bantwana.
Today, we're learning how to use fast and slow in a sentence. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
To say I walk fast in isiZulu is ngihamba ngokushesha. And to say I walk slow is ngihamba kancane. Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. So, ngiyahamba means to walk or I am walking. But for this sentence, we take away the ya and we just say ngihamba. Ukushesha means to be quick or fast. But now we have to add nga. And when we put nga together with ukushesha, it becomes ngokushesha. Ngihamba ngokushesha. Look at this example. To say I run fast in isiZulu is ngigijima ngokushesha. And to say I run slow in isiZulu is ngigijima kancane. Okay, let me explain some more. Ngiyagijima means I run or I am running. Remember, for this sentence, we make it a bit shorter. So we take away the ya and just say ngigijima. Ncane is the word for small. But now we add a ka, so it becomes kancane. And this means something like in a small way. I run in a small way. I run slow. Ngigijima kancane. Look at this example. To say I eat fast in isiZulu is ngidla ngokushesha. And to say I eat slow is ngidla kancane. And now you can use fast and slow in a sentence. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Salani kahle.